Number 1. Modern lodge, a style that emphasizes natural materials like wood and stone, often with large windows to bring in natural light. Designs feature rustic, cabin-like elements with an open floor plan. This style is characterized by the use of natural materials like wood, stone, and glass, often with large windows and open floor plans. It has a rustic and cozy feel, but with a modern aesthetic. Number 2. Modern farmhouse blends traditional farmhouse aesthetics with clean, contemporary lines. Features white walls, wood accents, and an emphasis on functionality and simplicity. Farmhouse-style homes feature simple, clean lines, white or light-colored siding, and often have a wraparound porch. They have a warm, inviting, and country-inspired feel. Number 3. Modern craftsman updates the classic craftsman style with an emphasis on natural materials, open floor plans, and energy-efficient design. Retains craftsman details like exposed beams and tapered columns. Craftsman homes are known for their low-pitched roofs, wide overhanging eaves, and tapered columns. They often have exposed beams, built-in furniture, and an emphasis on natural materials like wood and stone. Number 4. Modern cottage, characterized by a cozy, quaint aesthetic with modern updates. Typically features whitewashed wood, large windows, and a relaxed, informal vibe. Cottage-style homes are usually small, cozy, and charming. They often have steeply pitched roofs, dormer windows, and a romantic, whimsical aesthetic. Number 5. Modern contemporary, defined by sleek, minimalist design, open floor plans, and the use of innovative materials like glass, steel, and concrete. Emphasizes clean lines and a focus on form over ornate decoration. Contemporary homes are defined by their clean, simple lines, large windows, and open floor plans. They often feature modern materials like steel, glass, and concrete, and have a minimalist, high-tech feel. Number 6. Modern ranch updates the classic single-story ranch home with an open floor plan, large windows, and an emphasis on integrating indoor and outdoor living spaces. Ranch-style homes are single-story dwellings with long, low-pitched roofs and an emphasis on horizontal lines. They typically have an open floor plan and are designed for easy, casual living. Number 7. Modern Minnesota. Modern, a regional style found in Minnesota that blends Scandinavian influences with modern design principles. Characterized by simple forms, natural materials, and a focus on energy efficiency, this regional style is characterized by its use of natural materials, such as stone and wood, as well as large windows that bring the outdoors in. Minnesota modern homes often have a strong connection to the surrounding landscape.